Superheroes often wear special costumes. Let's make something a superhero might wear to help us remember that no one is more powerful than God. What we are going to be making are power cuffs, which are basically bracelets for the arms. Either you're going to need a toilet paper roll or index cards. For making a toilet paper roll, basically you cut down the middle like this. And then you find the middle of the toilet paper roll and you cut. Until you have two separate ones. And you decorate both of them with whatever you want. And it could be multiple, just different tiny little drawings all together, or one big drawing that you would like to make. So I'm basically just going to be drawing . So what I get is just a drawing. And now all you have to do is place it on your arm. And there you have a cuff. If you are using index cards, you basically want to draw your item first. Like this. Draw either tiny little pictures or one huge drawing. And if I make one, when I've drawn one like this, I get a pencil or marker. I've decided to use this. But you could use a pencil or a marker, and all you do is you roll the index card up. Just hold it firmly for a good few seconds. And let go. And you have now made a cuff for your hand. And that's how you make power cuffs.